So we've been having some issues and had a lot of people complain, along with seeing the trucks in our shop, with the issue with this gasket style sump. So we've come up with a sump here that has an O-ring in it to help take care of this issue. The sump is designed to remove a sump like this, install this guy, and now you have an O-ring clamp-in style sump versus the bolt-in with a gasket. Seems to be working great. Same clamp-in style as all our other sumps. 2 bolts, nylon washers on them. Comes with 2 1/2-inch push lock fittings, and the return portion of the sump, if you don't want to use it, very easy to take that fitting out and just put a 1/2-inch pipe plug in it. This sump can be used as a new installation. Does not have to be a repair, but it will also work as a repair. Either way, it's a little different style than our previous sump, a little different profile, kind of a neat look to it. Real nice and clean, low profile. Works with a 3-inch hole saw. This locating ring is 3 inches. From what we can tell, most of the manufacturers that are using this type of sump or this type of gasket are using a 3-inch hole saw. As you can see, our O-ring covers up that hole. If you check out some of our other videos, you'll notice how we explain how the return works, so I won't go over that. We'll show you here a little later in the video how this looks in a tank that already has the holes drilled into it. A tank that had holes drilled into it for a bolt-in style sump uses a gasket, and what we're going to do is put in our clamp-in sump to cover those holes and keep this guy from leaking. As you can see, covers up the hole, fits in there. This O-ring easily goes outside the holes. We'll seal it off real nice. Clamp-in style, like all our other sumps. This sump can be used, again, previously in the video we explained it, you can use this sump as a new installation or as a repair to take care of this issue with these gaskets leaking. Basically, 3-inch hole saw, 3-inch locating ring will work with any 3-inch hole here basically. We actually had this sump in this tank to make sure it does not leak. As you can see, not the ideal place to put it, but it works. Here you can see drops off a little bit, but it's sealed off perfectly and didn't leak. That's what we're looking for. Basically just trying to give our customers some options. Instead of having a nasty leaking tank, put this guy in there. Real nice looking profile, fairly low sump, take care of the leaking issue. Again, the return, like all our other sumps, and if you use it as a repair, you can take this fitting out, put a plug in it, and just use it as a normal sump without a return. Take the standpipe off and everything, but you can also hook it up with the return if you'd like. Main thing is here, as long as the sump was installed properly to begin with, if you're doing a repair, and it's a nice flat area, you should have a 5.5-inch round flat area. That's basically about what this measures. So it should have been flat to begin with. If it wasn't, you may have some other issues, but as long as it was installed properly and you just have the gasket leaking issue, this guy here will take care of that.